So it's definitely an exciting day for me because my FabFitFun box for summertime arrived. And well, the only thing is, like, I'm not as special as I thought I was because the company doesn't send me that, for free, so I can review it for you prior to everybody getting it. So I already saw some reviews for the box online on YouTube, but to be honest, I think mine is probably extremely special and so much better than other reviews because I'm so special. No, so I'm just joking, obviously, but I have to pay for my boxes. I subscribe, and so I get one box every quarter. So you can count on that review. It is a true review. It's something that makes more sense to me, just instead of being sponsored and talking about it and having to be positive about it. So I actually am excited about trying all the products in this box because I think I start making so many changes prior to getting the box, checking what I would be interested in. So they give you that option, which I think is really cool. And based on your preferences, they try to cater that box a little bit more towards your needs and what you like. So I obviously am a freak when it comes to skincare. Absolutely love it. Any type of makeup or skincare, I'm gonna jump on it. I don't need another cosmetic bag. So what I care about is obviously skincare, makeup, things that I can review for you, things that I can try and see if it's something that I can add into my daily routine. If the makeup is good, let's see, maybe I can create some good looks with it. So without the further ado, I'm gonna start going product by product and see what I have in my box, because they obviously a little bit different depending on your preferences. So I think it's worth $200, and the reason is, like, I actually was calculating all the products. I was looking them up online just to give you the price, and so you have an idea what you're getting in your box and how expensive some of those items are. So it actually did add up to $200. So I know my money was well spent because it cost me only $50, right? $49.99 plus whatever. So let's start with something that's not really cute but extremely helpful, and not a food filer. So honestly, this thing is worth $15 according to an online Google check. $15. I'll take it. I'm gonna use it, right? So why not? Second thing that I'm gonna do is the Living Proof Frizz Intense Moisture Mask. And I love the brand, so this review is extremely positive. I do have a life size of this. This I didn't check the price on because I think it is a trial size. Normally it's a little bit bigger, but this is the hair mask. So the way I use it is actually I put it on the day that I wash my hair. I put it on, I walk around half of a day with it on it, and then I wash it off. I feel like this is the way I get the most out of that mask. So you can actually follow the direction and just apply it on and keep it on for up to 20 minutes and then wash it off. It is totally up to you. It's not going to do any damage. It's going to do a lot of good. I do believe in Living Proof company. I use their hair product. I absolutely love they perfect hair day shampoo. My favorite by far. I love their conditioners. It's so easy for me to take care of the freeze and everything else. I love how easy it is to comb through my hair once I apply some of their conditioners. Absolutely love it, so I definitely will use that. It's a smaller size, but it's certainly worth getting it in a package because it's an amazing product. Moving on into the setting spray. It's called Watermelon Burst. Let me just open this for you. I just sprayed it on before when I was applying makeup for today's tutorial because I want to look cute for you. I actually tried it, and I don't know if it does anything crazy or special. It definitely helps to melt the powder with the foundation in, so it's more natural and not too mattifying. So that's what I have on right now, and the fragrance is extremely pleasant. So I'm looking forward. Yeah, it's definitely nice. It does smell like watermelon with something else mixed into it. I'm definitely going to be using it, and I just use a lot of it prior to putting makeup on or after I put the makeup. So it's totally up to you how you're going to use it. Recommendation would be to put that after you're done with your makeup to help to set the makeup in. And this costs $22. So it's not the biggest. So I know I'm gonna use it, so I look forward to using it. $22 online. on Sephora, I think is a good purchase. So getting it for a fraction of it, I think it's definitely worth it. I want to do it quick and short and sweet, so I'm just going to go through those products quicker. Next thing, I think it's cute. This is the pineapple ice mold, and if you wanted to get it online, I think Amazon sells it for $7. So honestly, I have the BPA free ice molders in my freezer right now, and each cost me $2 at Walmart, I think, and it's definitely BPA free. This doesn't say much about it, but it's kind of like a rubberish silicone type of material. I think it's cute. I think that I definitely will mold some ice because there's never enough ice in my house during the summertime, so I'll definitely use it. I wouldn't spend $7 on it, so getting it in as a part of the box, a bonus for me. So I definitely want to use this. Moving on, oh my god, yeah, another cosmetic bag. This one is kind of cool for summertime if you go to the beach or something, because inside it has a clear layer that you can zip. So I think if you put your wallet or your driver's license or documents, money, whatever you want to put inside, it's going to protect that space from the sand getting in or water. So I think it's a smart idea. I think I'm gonna give one to my mom because I have clearly too many cosmetic bags. The outside portion of it is kind of like that. It's cute colors, perfect for summer, really nice size as well in order to pack more stuff in your beach bag. This is what I would use it for, or maybe for traveling. You can have that extra layer of protection inside. I don't know how much it costs. I honestly could care less. It's just another cosmetic bag. Nice fabric though. It seems like something that's a little bit more durable, so you can definitely use it. Another clearly good idea for summertime is the aloe gel after sun gel, enriched with soothing aloe vera and niacinamide. So this is a gel for after you're on the sun, and this is the original size, and what it costs online is $20. So definitely something helpful and useful for summertime, especially for your kids or for yourself. If you feel that you stayed on sun for a little bit too long, you can certainly soothe your skin with it, and hopefully it's going to protect you from sunburn and things like that. And we have 3 more products. So let's see, we are 9 minutes into this video. I'm getting so much better at making shorter and more interesting videos. I have to pat myself on the shoulder for that. Something that I'm looking forward to use even more, it's my Summer Friday CC Me serum, and it's a brightening and illuminating serum. This is 1 ounce, okay, and this cost, and I wrote it down so I don't have to look it up as I'm talking to you. So this cost $64. Wow. So I'm definitely looking forward to trying it because I feel it may be a really good serum for your face. So honestly, use serums. They have more concentrated ingredients, and it helps to give your skin moisture back. It plumps your skin. So honestly, there's so many things on the market right now that you can choose from that you're probably getting confused. So if you want to just try it, you know, go for it. I have so many different serums and I love them all because I feel they make a difference. If you moisturize, it doesn't take care of your skin the way it's supposed to and doesn't give you enough moisture, serum is certainly a good idea. I saw difference after switching my skin routine and actually applying few different layers, you know, going with the rose water, then going with the serum, then going with the moisturizer, and then putting oil on the top, or 3 different eye creams. I feel the difference, and it's not necessarily that those ingredients are so crazy good. Some of them are, and they're very pricey sometimes, but the idea of just constantly hydrating your face is going to make the difference. This is why you want to use all those things on your face, just to give the moisture back. So like I said, this is all about giving your skin a lot of moisture, and that's how you stay looking young. That's how your lines don't appear as quickly on your face, and you can protect yourself from wrinkles for a very long time. So I will be certainly using this, and I cannot wait to try it. I haven't tried it yet, but I tried on the back of my hand and actually felt really nice and really soft, so I'm looking forward to that. Another thing that you can never have enough of is any lip product. I love some of the lip masks and lip products that I recently started buying. So this is a sleep mask for your lips. It's a fruit butter lip mask by Seraphine Botanicals. There you go. This is what it looks like. It has like little pinky salmon color, and it feels amazing. I tried on my lips today before I actually start applying lipstick, and it felt so good. And honestly, I think I'm gonna keep it by my bed at night so I can actually use it before I go to sleep. This mask, if you had to buy it, it costs $25. So I think it's a good thing to have it as a part of the box. You don't spend, you know, $25 for it, you pay a fraction. Just messed up my lipstick. So sad. So yeah, I think it's a great idea that you only pay a fraction for this product. So absolutely recommend it. You're gonna love it. And the last but not least is something that I'm really excited about, because when we talk about moisture, hydrating your face, giving back the moisture to your skin, I cannot wait to try it. It's Drink of H2O moisturizer by Tarte. Okay, and it has this see-through bluish color and a very jelly consistency. So I cannot wait to like walk around with this on my face. Actually starting tomorrow. I haven't tried it on my face yet, but I cannot wait to try it. It smells amazing. It's very refreshing. So the fragrance is extremely refreshing, so I cannot wait for that to be on my face, because I know it's going to feel amazing, because it felt amazing on my hand. That's how I try product typically. Just put a little bit on the back of my hand, spread it around, smell it, feel it, and this is how I get an idea whether or not I want to put it on my face. So that's helpful to me. Some of you may say, no, I have to have it on my face before I buy it. So again, this is $60 if you had to spend your own money on it. And so getting it as a part of the box, it's definitely a bonus. I cannot wait for it to be on my face. So guys, this is it. Honestly, this is a good box, because I wasn't big on my first one. The second one, because I didn't get the product that I really wanted, the second box was pretty cool, and I used a lot of items from that box. And this is the third box of mine, and I have to say one of the best ones, because I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 skincare products. So including the aloe gel for after sun care. They didn't put a lot of like useless things in my box, so I'm very grateful for it. And I don't know if it had something to do with me pre-selecting certain items that I would rather go for, but you do have that option. Before you get the box, the company sends you, what is it, FabFitFun, I cannot say it quick 3 times. So they send you an email before your box is ready to arrive, and you kinda can pre-select some of the items, pre-order some of the items that you will find in your box. So I think this is what I did this time. I actually spent some time making sure that I'm checking it off and not just blindly believe that they're gonna read my mind and they're gonna send me a box full of skincare. But this is what I go for, so I'm very happy with this box. I think personally it's worth it, especially because there's so many products on the market, and sometimes you get confused and you don't know what to choose from because there's so many brands, so many new launches every week. There's some new product on the market. So this is a great way of trying the product and before you make a decision about buying it, you know. And yes, you pay for $50 for this box, but the product in it is worth $200, and I did calculate it for you this time, so it actually adds up to $200. So that would be it. I really hope that if you do get the box, you enjoy it as much as I do. And yeah, subscribe if you haven't done so. If you want to see more videos like that, let me know. Make the comment, leave the comment behind, click on the like button because it helps me so much, so I really appreciate it. And I will see you on my next video.